I would like to say something before more questions because in the last days I have been listening and watching in social media in some newspaper a lot of fake news, and I think as a captain I want to stop this fake news because some people are trying to divide our group and inside the dressing room. I don't like this. I think we have a strong bond. We have a very strong group. We have a very good relationship between all of us, including staff, Oscar, Adrian, Javi, Vino, all the staff. And I would like to stop this kind of things.